14 degrees. Alright, December 25th, 2017. Merry Christmas. As you can see, we have a white Christmas. And it snowed yesterday. It snowed like a good chunk of the day yesterday, Christmas Eve. And this is the result. And now it seems that afterward, temperatures are going to be dropping, and they're already starting. It's already 14 degrees, and it's only going to be getting colder. It's supposed to be like 1 degree tonight. So alrighty. Alright, and I'm going to let that warm up. Okay, now the Honda. Still hasn't been dusted off yet. Now this one might be a little challenging. Hopefully not. It hasn't been started in a week actually, so that's why I say that. And this car's always been different to start. I mean, not really, mainly by sound. It's always had a slower start, so let's see how this works. Alright. Nice. Cool. Let's get that going. Ready to frost. Alright, so that's going. Turn on the headlights. Oh, I did. Okay. Alright, and now the journey. Which I don't need keys for. It's one of those keyless entry starts. It is filthy though, because we went out last night and this was the car we took. All right. Let's get these settings going here. All right.